Hope you had completed your notes. Now we will see about the long answer questions. So first number is, what is agricultural practices? List them in the current sequence. You can see as page number 8. So this is I number 1, page number 8, agricultural practices, and their current sequence is this one. Number 2, discuss how the soil is prepared for sowing seeds. We will go to page number 9. I number 2, soil is prepared by plugging and leveling. First of all, we will explain a few about plugging. Like this much point you can write, or anything if you want you can add from here also. After that you will write for the leveling. Number 3, what is harvesting? What precautions should be taken while storing harvested grains? Page number 12 and 13. Page number 12, the process of cutting of crops when it is ready, that is called harvesting. Page number 13, freshly harvested crops are dried properly so that they can be stored for longer time. The crop should be safe from moisture, insects, rats and organisms. The microorganisms. The crops are dried in sun and stored in jute bags or metallic bins. So this is I number 3. I number 4, what is manuring? List all the differences between fertilizers and manures. Page number 10. Here the process of replenishing the soil with nutrients, that is known as manuring, and the differences of manure and fertilizer is also given in the same page, so you can write. Next question, discuss the traditional and modern methods of irrigation in brief with examples. Page number 11 and 12. So page number 11, this is I number 5. This is about traditional method, you can write. And here modern methods, you can write sprinkler and drip irrigation. Sprinkler irrigation and drip irrigation. From here you can make it short, or if you want to make long you can make it long, but you should learn them very well. Number 6, what is the difference between Rabi and Kharif crop? Give one example each. Page number 8. This is I number 6, Kharif crops and Rabi crops. Examples are also given, so you can write from here. Now we will go to horse question. Horse question, first number is, despite favorable conditions, climatic conditions, a farmer's crop failed to give good yield. Give the possible reason for this, and answer you can write. Answer is, despite favorable conditions, a farmer's crop failed to give good yield because of the following reasons: absence of good quality seeds, inappropriate or insufficient irrigation of crops, improper application of manure or fertilizers. Number 2, as the population increases, the demand of crop also increases. What are the ways in which we can increase the production of crops? Answer is, there are mainly 2 ways by which crop production can be increased. First one is multiple cropping. In this method, it is the method where more than one kind of crop is grown in a single season on a given season of land. Another method, modern farming method. The green revolution has brought many changes in the farming system. This also increased the use of tractors, fertilizers, pesticides and harvesters. Number 3, how does increasing crop production affect the environment? Answer you can write. For increasing the crop production, we use chemical insecticides, pesticides and chemical fertilizers. Application of these chemicals onto crops also causes them to be released into the atmosphere as harmful air pollutants. Agricultural runoff from heavy rains removes chemicals from the site of food production and transport them to other locations, polluting soils, waterways and other ecosystems. Next question, sprinkler and drip irrigation are effective ways to conserve water, yet they are not popular in India. What could be reason behind it? So the reason may be because the expenses are very much for setting up a sprinkler or drip irrigation system. Farmers have lack of knowledge about the use of drip and sprinkler irrigation. This could be the reason. So you can write these 2 points. So complete all the notes in your science note copy and learn them, and write very neat and clean with a good handwriting.